Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your headphones EDIFIER STAX S5 from your iPhone. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon near to your headphones. And right here at the third line we have a button what's called Disconnect, and you need to tap at that button. Now, before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between Disconnect and Unpair. So when you select to disconnect your headphones, you will stop Bluetooth connection with them, but you leave it at the device list. And if you select to Unpair and you click at the Forget the Device button, you will totally remove your headphones from your phone. Now let me tap on it, and as you can see, I just stop Bluetooth connection with them, but still have it as a device list, so I can easily reconnect it by just tap this line. But if your headphones is turned on and do not connect it with another device, but if you enable dual connection, you can also with tap on that and reconnect it with another device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!